Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing someone from your best friends list on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your best friends list on Snapchat is based on who you snap with the most, and not necessarily your actual best friends. There is no way to choose your best friends, but there is a workaround to remove best friends if you really don't want someone to be on your best friends list. The way to do this is to block them and then re-add them as a friend. They will know you have re-added them as they will get a friend request from you, but you could always just say you unfriended them by mistake and then re-added them. Before you block someone, make sure you know their Snapchat username, so you can search for them again. Searching their display name will not work. Their username will be the name below their display name on their contact profile. Here is how to do it. Open up your friends list and tap on the bitmoji or user icon of the friend you want to remove from your best friends list. Tap on the 3 vertical dots button in the top right corner of their contact profile. On the menu that appears, tap on Block. Tap Block again on the pop-up. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to get back to your profile page. Then tap on the Settings cog from the top right corner to get to Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Blocked. Tap the X after their name to unblock them. Tap Yes on the pop-up. Now that they are unblocked, you need to go and add them as a friend again. Go back to your profile page and tap on Add Friends. Now search for their username, not display name, in the search bar up top, and add them as a friend. They will need to accept your friend request. And when they do, they will be added to your friends list, but not to your best friends list. But remember that if you snap that person more than everyone else again, they will end up on your best friends list again. So maybe don't snap them as much if you don't want them to show up as your best friend. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.